Anyway, what's up, Kiki Squad? How is everybody doing? I'm doing good. So, anyway, guys, I came back with another mukbang, as y'all can see. Anyway, so I don't know what I want to talk about. So, I got two double cheeseburgers. Well, I'm gonna eat one. I just did this for the video. And I got me some french fries. And I got me a McFlurry. Ooh, mine's melting. Anyway, guys, so maybe I should talk about advice. Yeah, let's just talk about 8th grade and 7th grade advice, middle school advice. How, how you say advice? When y'all gonna, for all the people that's going to middle school, when y'all get to middle school, keep doing y'all work and try to make AB honor roll. Or if you really up higher than that, then try to make A honor roll. And if y'all don't hang around the wrong don't hang around the wrong people. Don't hang around the types of people that get y'all in trouble, you know? And if somebody tell you something, especially don't hang around the people that start drama. Cause I used to be in drama in 6th grade, like, it ain't worth it. I almost got into a fight in 6th grade. So, don't let nothing get to y'all. Only focus on y'all and y'all grade and y'all education. So the people that start drama, don't let them get to your head because it ain't worth it. Hey, Grandma.
You got the food,
Hey, Phil. Okay. Yes, ma'am. He just left. Oh, drop my fry, y'all.
Kiki, when this gets dry, you can wear it.
Okay.
Down.
Okay.
It'll take a few minutes.
Okay.
What's this your? Oh, this is the cap. It's red and blue down, but you always sleep in.
Okay. sorry guys, that's my grandma talking to me. So, like I said, don't let that drama get to you. Cause, like when I was in 6th grade, all my friends, we get in so much drama, and the boys that we hang out with, they get in so much fight. So, at the end of the school year, people kept fighting everybody. Like it was fights like every day. So guys, like, oh, sorry guys, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, when they found out we kept having drama, we got in trouble. The girls got lunch detention. I think the boys had offers for us. I don't know I can't remember what the boys had. But I most likely think they had offer referrals. But anyway, like I said, if you have a best friend and like y'all been besties like this ever since y'all was like little. If somebody and y'all make a new friend, right? And then that new friend come between y'all, and then you and your best friend not friends no more. Don't let your new friend come between your best friend, because like y'all been knowing each other for like years, and y'all gonna let somebody else come between y'all. That's not right. That happened to me so many times. Like I walked out. Like me and my friend, we walked out who we became friends with now. And when you was in middle school, don't worry about what people say about you. Because they probably jealous because you smarter than them, or you got like more than them, or they probably like jealous of you. Like if your parents buy you a lot of stuff and they don't got it, then that's probably the reason why they jealous of you. And one, yeah, one. I'm gonna take the lid off. I kind of don't want to do that, but that's okay. One. Yeah, one time I did that, I got in trouble, so that's why I don't care what people think of me now, because you know, that's just how life is. People gonna talk about you behind your back. You know how people be like, oh, you got something to say, you can say it to my face. I used to be one of them, but No, I don't really care because all they gonna do is this. I know some of them can be like, oh, that phone is for. Some of them can be like pretty annoying. Oh yeah, when you get to middle school, respect your teacher. I know some of them are annoying to you. You know what I learned from my granny? Like, even though when a child and an adult get into an argument, sometimes the adult can be wrong and they just don't want to admit it. And that's what I learned. Some adults it can be wrong. And just like when I didn't like one of my teachers. Like she kept talking all that nice to me, but once I got my mama, she got scared. Like, ooh, my mom don't play that. Anyway, if it's your first time, like, you know how when you go to elementary school, when you go to middle school, you can you still know the people from your elementary school. And you come from another district, that's okay. You can just try to make new friends or have them come to you. You know? If you scared to eat lunch by yourself, don't be. Just ask some group of friends to eat lunch with them. Oh my god, my fries. Oh, I am them. And guys, if somebody your friend and they gonna be fake to you, they really not your friend. And the next thing you know, they gonna be like, I'm sorry. You don't have to be their friend if you don't want to. Like, you don't gotta kiss their behind. I used to do that, like kiss their behind. I used to do that, but when somebody be mean to me, I forgave them. Yeah, that's what you do. You're supposed to forgive people. And I kept being that friend, but now I learned that I don't have to be their friend if I don't want to. But like I said, like, I know you and your best friend or you and your friends gonna get into like a little argument, but trust me, y'all will make up later. I have best friends and friends, like, we always fight, but we still gonna be there like for each other. And we make up later. My McFlurry is melting. Oh. And guys, like I said, don't let them really get to you. Because I learned if you really um, if you really let them get to you, then most likely they winning. Like I mostly when I was in drama, I kept letting them get to me. Like I used to have arguments with people, and then shout out to my teacher, Miss O. Like I love her so much, and Miss Richardson, and Miss Catlin Shaw, and Miss Frankowitz, and Mr. Ford, and Mr. Gonzalez, and Miss T. Shout out to all y'all, and Miss Harvey. Yeah, shout out to all y'all because y'all really helped me get through my anger. I used to have an attitude. Well, I kind of still do got an attitude problem when you get on my bad side, but mostly in 6th grade, I mostly had an attitude with everybody. Except for my closest friends. Well, I only got an attitude with them when they make me mad or when they got an attitude with me. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna open the lid because nothing but bullshit. Alright. Wow. Let's go back. Okay, I guess that's good. Guys, don't mind that sheet back there. But anyway, guys, that's the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, I hope I gave y'all great advice. Anyway, guys, I'm going to high school. Yeah, I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for my next video. I don't know what I might be doing. Mukbang, prank, challenge, or vlog. You never know. Alright, bye. Love you guys.